Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you some amazing App Inventor extensions that can level up your app. So the first one is dynamic components. I will give you the all extension link in the description. Using that extension, you can create components dynamically. It means suppose you created only one button in your app, but you require the 10 buttons or 20 buttons. So you can use that extension to generate the multiple buttons, and every component you can generate dynamically. This is really fantastic. Now the second one is PCB Xamini bot. Using this, you just need to implement the Xamini API and you have your own chatbot. It's really very easy to implement this chatbot extension in your app, and it's totally free of cost. And the third one is the look extension. Using this extension, you can recognize the any object and that will return you. Like you can create a lot of amazing apps using this look extension. And the fourth one is the personal image classifier. This one, you just need to create a model and you can define that model values or the images or pictures value, and that will recognize your images. This is really fantastic to teach your own robot or do something extraordinary with this. And the fifth one is custom web view. This is really fantastic. Running the JavaScript from uploading the files and do a lot of things with the web view. This is a really fantastic custom view extension. These are the 5 extensions that can help you on your future project. Let me know what type of extension you needed, so I'll create a video on that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.